If you are responsible for setting up your team's Notion account, head to Notion's website and click Get Notion Free. Choose your preferred sign in method. You can then follow Notion's guided onboarding sequence, selecting for work and with my team. To help get you started, it's going to ask if you want to add any templates to your starter Notion account. You do have to select one, so let's go ahead and just add wikis for now. As part of the onboarding sequence, you'll have the option to invite team members to your Notion account, either by inviting them through email or by copying the invite link and sharing it with them. If you want to skip this for now and wait until your workspace is more configured, you can go ahead and just select Take Me to Notion. It will ask you to choose your plan. We're going to stick with free for right now. Your Notion workspace is now set up. Now, if you want to add team members from this point, you have two options. You can either click Invite Members at the bottom of your left-hand sidebar. That's going to give you the option to add their email address, and then you can choose their role. Alternatively, you can go to Settings on your sidebar, select People, and then here you can add members. And again, it follows the same format. You add their email address and then you select their preferred role. You do have to have a paid Notion account to invite team members, and you are charged per member. Make sure to check out the pricing video for more information so that you can see which plan is best suited to your needs. Now, there are a few ways that you might be invited to Notion. The most common is for your team's admin to send you an invite. In this instance, check your email for the Notion invitation, click Accept Invite, and then you can create your account or sign into an existing one if you already have one. Confirm that you can see your team's workspace in your navigation sidebar on the left, and if you do, you should be good to go. Now, the other way you might join your team's workspace is if a team admin or member have sent you a link to it. In this instance, you would click on the link and again, create a Notion account or sign into your Notion account when prompted, submit your access request, and then wait for your team admin to approve access. Once again, when you can log in and see your sidebar navigation, you're all set up and ready to go. Now, in the instance where you haven't received anything, then I recommend reaching out to your team's lead and providing them with your work email address so that they can send you that invitation. This lesson has been part of our Navigating Notion series. You will find access to all links and resources in the description below. And if you have any questions at all, please do leave a comment. I'm here to help. If you'd like to continue watching, I recommend this one next.